This video will demonstrate the use of the camera controllers for setting the camera's location in a scene. Start the Alice program and choose a ground template for a new project. Here we select the seafloor template. We then go to the scene editor by clicking on the Setup Scene button. We recommend that you place a camera marker at its starting point before you change the location of the camera. We have already created such a camera marker for this scene. This allows us to quickly move the camera back to its starting point. We are now going to add an orca from the marine mammal class, which is found in the swimmer class. Pause the video and add an object of your choice to your scene. At the bottom center of the scene view are 3 camera controllers. The most common use of these controllers is to set the camera's point of view for our animation. Clicking and holding an arrow will manipulate the location of the camera appropriately. Clicking and dragging in the direction of the arrow will speed up the camera movement, and clicking and dragging in between 2 arrows will combine the camera manipulations. The arrows of the left-hand controller move the camera up, down, left, or right using the camera's point of view. As with any move action in Alice, these arrows change the position of the camera in the scene, but not its orientation, which is the direction the camera is facing. The 2 arrows pointing forward and backward of the middle controller move the camera forward or backward as seen by the controller. The other 2 arrows of the center controller turn the camera to its left or right. As with any turn action in Alice, these controls change the orientation of the camera in the scene, but not the position of the camera. The arrows of the right controller turn the camera forward or backward. Again, this turn action changes the orientation of the camera in the scene, but not its position. In this video, we have looked at how to use the different camera controllers to set the location of the camera in the scene.